Okay, hello on my channel. What we have today? Let me take a better angle of this. By the way, this is coffee. Coffee is important, right? So Olares, what this is, right? Here are the new knife to open that stuff. Olares, it is company that creates like NAS based system operating, but on the Kickstarter I saw interesting project about that AI small PC slash NAS slash something. So let's try to open it together. By the way, it's very that wasn't easy. It's a heavy bastard. Okay, so we'll not need that box. Okay, so here it's Olares, and by the way, it's similar to NAS. It's similar to like Orico Volt NAS, but this one is based on maybe not based, but it have GeForce 950 inside. So here it's Olares. We have some kind of information. Oh, maybe we have product name, desktop computer. So it's like mini PC, right? Slash NAS configuration, Intel U9 275HX and Nvidia RTX 550. 24 gigabytes and 96 gigabytes RAM, 2 terabytes SSD. So yeah, I have been waiting for this a long time, really, but hey, it's Kickstarter, right? Thanks God that the prices of this was very nice. If you will like sub prices for GeForce RAM and SSD disk currently, then it was a great deal really back then. And back then I think Kickstarter was like December, November, something like that. So opa. Let's go here. We will not need that. By the way, this video will be only like unboxing of this heavy bastard. Yeah, it's very premium feel. How to open that quickly? Really? Yeah, here is. Oh, it's cold. I'm trying, really, doing what I can, but I will need my scissors, and I have hope that I will not create additional scratches. So here we can see two ventilators. So intercooler Ultra 9 inside, right? RTX GeForce sticker. So this is it. Olares, right? What we have here? That one. It's gonna be Ethernet. I don't remember if it's 1 gigabyte, 2.5. I will need to check that one. USB-A, HDMI, a USB-C, and of course power, right? Delivery. So that's really it. There's only one button. So let's check what we have in the box. That's a heavy AP. That's a heavy one. Okay. Adapter. Oh, 350 watts. Okay. For 5 amperes, 20 volts. Nice one, and a heavy one, really heavy one. That's kind of hello information. We'll check that. What we have here in the box. Yeah, power cable. Here, what is this? Huh, interesting. Interesting. Let's open that one. Let's check what we have here. Oh, it says dock station. I mean, yeah, for your laptop, for example, probably. Oh, and nice. We have here a SanDisk USB, probably with the OS inside. We'll check together. And yeah, here's that very nicely done and premium heavy one. Yeah, adapter to expand your ports, micro SD, SD, USB-C, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, FG8, so the old video type input. Yeah, Ethernet and USB-A version 3, and that one is mic. A Wesson. Okay, we'll check that one. Nice. I wasn't expect that one, but yeah, thanks Olares for that. I will definitely use that one. Okay, by the way, the package itself, inside, everything is, you know, protected. Yeah, because it's like pricey things inside. So 2-year free 2-year Olares Space membership basic plan. Okay, and yeah, I need to register. I need to register for that. So thanks for that. Recovery sheet, Olares One quick start, and that's really it. And okay, so that's really all. Thanks for watching, and Olares, thanks for producing this. By the way, of course, I paid for that. So subscribe, thumb up if you want to help, and if you want to see this kind of videos in the future, because you know it's really pricey. So yeah, this is it, and it looks like that. Our last movie with the A-Leak, for example. So this is the A-Leak, and I can show you my, for example, OnePlus 13, right? So yeah, looks like that. And yeah, subscribe, thumb up, have a nice cheers.